Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Rocket Espresso Milano Giotto Evolution espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work. Starting basically with the heating element. As you can see, there's some corrosion on the electronic components in here and the electronic connections right here. And it was best to replace the heating element, to be honest. And as you can see, there's a lot of scale buildup in the heating element itself. And it was basically all over the machine. We had to empty the boiler multiple times, descale it as well, empty some of the copper pipes. We had to do so much work in order to completely get rid of most of the scale buildup inside the boiler. We also had to replace the boiler safety valve, the one that you see right here. This one was leaking. This one, the vacuum release valve, was also leaking. And one of the two-way solenoid valves was preventing the boiler from actually getting filled. And yeah, it was a lot of work on this machine. So right now the machine is working great. It's filling up water perfectly. Just let it, it has a rotary pump, so it's extremely fast the way it actually fills the boiler. And that's it. Yeah, it's already filled inside. It's extremely fast, which is the advantages of actually having a rotary pump. So we're gonna do an espresso shot. We're gonna take a little bit, we're gonna wait for the machine to actually get back to temperature since we actually use the hot water. So we'll be right back in a bit. All right, the machine is back to pressure. So we're gonna do a test shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings. Otherwise I'm gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. So let me make sure the portafilter is in the right position and infusion and all the way. It's a little bit too fast. I probably need to tamper a little bit more harder or put more coffee inside. That's enough. And as you can see, it was pretty fast. Still a good shot. Decent crema, pretty good. It was just basically my fault. I needed more coffee inside the portafilter. But shower screen working great. Machine heating up fine, filling up properly. Yeah. Rocket Espresso Milano working once again. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day. And thanks for watching.